Well, if change is opportunity,
then Yarmouth and Acadian shores
had a big opportunity.
We had to rethink our tourism role in Nova Scotia.
Instead of being a conduit,
we had to develop a destination that would attract people here for its own sake.
Provincial and regional investment
planted seeds
that help generate growth.
Result? Revitalizing the downtown.
Cafes.
breweries,
touring,
culinary experiences,
experiential tourism,
and more.
And now,
the International Ferry Link is back.
We're a major entry point again.
Yay! 50,000 visitors.
In under 6 months.
Visitation up 20%.
Room nights up 17%.
Website traffic up 20%.
Only 2 regions experienced growth this year.
And we are one of them.
C'est fantastique!
But it's not about how many people.
It's about how much they spend.
Compared to 10 years ago,
We've nearly doubled our tourism revenue.
FerryLink passengers stay in the province longer.
And they spend more.
a lot more.
And we have a responsibility to make a great first impression.
So our efforts benefit not only ourselves,
But the whole province.
There's always more work to do.
But the effort is worth it.
Because it means to see our great region.
And all it has to offer.
more people
Will go the distance.